this is Coach Mark and welcome to BCLC online guitar lesson for beginners. So today I'm gonna introduce the chords and the basic strumming patterns. So here are the two chords that I'm gonna introduce today. So make sure your guitar is already tuned so you can practice or so you can focus well. So here are the first chord. So the first chord that I'm talking to you is the D. So this is the D. So this is your fingers here. You put your fingers here and then your thumb here. So this is the proper way to use the fingers or to play guitar. So here the D. This is the D. So here are your first finger is you put here in the third string, second fret. Your second finger, the first string, second fret, and then your third finger, second string, third fret. So as you can see, it's very simple. So I'll do it again. So your first finger in the third string, second fret. Your second finger is the first string, second fret, and then your third finger, second string, third fret. So if you have your guitar pick, so you can use that one. You can use that one to strum, or if you don't have guitar pick, so it's okay if you use your hand. So this is the basic strumming pattern. So this one, very simple. That one, you strum it once only, like that. So make sure you don't hit the sixth string. This one, because it sounds weird if you hit this string. Look at what's the sound, what's the difference. So the proper way to strum the D is from fifth string, start with the fifth string to down. So that's one. Sounds good. So here, that's the basic pattern strumming. So you can do it slowly, don't too fast. You better start slowly pattern. And the next chord that I'm going to teach is the G. So this is the second chord, the G. So G, your first finger here in the fifth string, second fret. Your second finger is sixth string, third fret, and then your last finger, your third finger, the first string, third fret. So again, I'll do it again. So your first finger here in the fifth string, second fret, your third finger, your second finger, the third fret, and then your third finger in the first string, third fret. So as you can see here, so we strum all strings. That one. But this is the very simple. When you do the G, so you strums all strings. It's very simple. So this is the D, 5 strings only, and then the G, 6 string, 6 string to down, 6 string to down. So that's all for now. Hope you enjoy this video. So if you want to practice at home, you can practice well, or you can practice every day if you want. So see you in the next video, and God bless. Goodbye.